Hello everybody. I hope everyone will find the information they want in the video. Before going to the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Happy watching! Among conservative hybrids, the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan is the one in particular that offers an unmistakably European flavor, with fresh taken care of and richly custom-made styling. The main motor decision is a smooth, turbocharged 2.0-liter four-chamber, and keeping in mind that presentation is simply sufficient, it follows through on eco-friendliness. A large group of tech highlights is remembered for each model, including a computerized check show, contemporary infotainment network, and driver help highlights. The Lodge, while steadily styled, is roomy for individuals and freight. A third line of seats is accessible as a choice, something just the Mitsubishi Stranger matches in this fragment. The Tiguan sees not many changes for 2023, which is reasonable thinking about its more exhaustive renewing for the 2022 model year. This year, the SER line dark trim gets another 19-inch wheel plan and the Tiguan's USB-C ports have been overhauled for 45 watts charging. Moving forward to the mid-range, SE trim adds 18-inch wheels, a power worked-back liftgate, path-keeping help, and the new semi-independent driving mode. An all-encompassing sunroof is a $1,200 choice on the SE and might merit the update for purchasers who like to get a couple of beams while driving. In the engine of each 2023 Tiguan is a turbocharged four-chamber that makes 184 torque. Front-wheel drive is standard, yet Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive framework is discretionary. This is an athletic, carefree SUV with a smooth, willing motor and a very much planned programmed transmission. Like a large portion of its rivals, it's nowhere near quick, yet it compensates for that with a tight ride, deft taking care of, and responsive controlling. There's a murmur of energy here that reviews VW's very much regarded GTI hot hatchback. The Tiguan's brake pedal activity is delicate and it doesn't coordinate to the firm, moderate pedals we appreciate in different individuals from VW's genealogy. At our test track, the Tiguan conveyed a fairly listless 9.1 second 0 to 60 mph time. Out and about, however, the Tiguan doesn't feel as delayed as its experimental outcomes show, with enough low-end snort to feel lively in and out of town. Proceeding onto the roadway might be the main time you'll wish the Tiguan had a smidgen more power. The Tiguan's inside is traditionally Volkswagen, or, in other words, that it is basic and utilitarian yet not especially trendy. Others offer more legroom in the subsequent column, however the Tiguan is one of the main vehicles in the class that can be had with seating for 7. The Tiguan comes standard with fabric seating and fractional power change for the front seats. Selecting into additional costly renditions can net full power change for the driver, false calfskin seating, and an all-encompassing sunroof. With only 12 cubic feet of freight space behind the accessible third line, the Tiguan basically can't be a pulling vehicle when the third column is being used. With the third column collapsed, the Tiguan's freight estimations put it about in the center of this class for crude space. With every one of the seats collapsed, we fit 19 of our portable boxes in the Tiguan, short of what we stuffed inside key opponents including the Honda CR-V. Volkswagen's infotainment framework is smooth-looking, however includes contact delicate controls coordinated into an enormous glass screen which we have viewed as hard to utilize. The framework comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so drivers who favor their cell phone's recognizable connection point to Volkswagen's framework are fortunate. A Wi-Fi area of interest is standard. A 480-watt 9-speaker bumper sound framework is accessible for audiophiles, however just in upper trims. All models accompany either 8.0 or 10.3-inch computerized measure show which can be reconfigured to show an assortment of data.